Basic eye blinking animation tutorial. Before we start, here are the basic parts of an eye: eyebrow, eyelid, iris pupil, and sclera or the white. Okay, let's begin. Open your IbispaintX app. Create a new canvas, 1920 by 1080 pixels. Next, import your character model without eyes. Resize it and rename it as model. Insert a new layer and rename it as guide. We are going to draw the eye guide on this layer. Activate the symmetry ruler, rotate it, and place it at the middle of the model. Use a brush with blue color to start drawing the eye guide. Drawing the eyelid. Next, create a new layer above the guide layer and rename it as open eyelid. Use a brush with black color. Activate the curved drawing tool at the top right corner. Start tracing the upper eyelid. Modify the position and width if necessary. Draw the other details. Then, duplicate the open eyelid layer and rename it as mid-eyelid. Change the opacity of the open eyelid layer to 40%. Erase the upper eyelid. Then draw a new one like this. Hide the layer afterward. Insert a new layer and rename it as closed eyelid. Trace the lower eyelid. Hide the layer, then change the opacity of the open eyelid layer to 100%. Drawing the white base. Insert a new layer below it and rename it as open white base. Use a brush with white color. Trace the eye guide. Then fill it with white using the bucket tool. Duplicate the layer, then rename it as mid-white base. Drag it on top of the open eyelid layer. Hide these layers. Activate the mid-eyelid layer. Erase the extra white part of the mid-white base. Then hide the layers. Drawing the iris pupil. Activate the layers of open eyelid and open white base. Insert a new layer between them and rename it to open iris. Use the circular ruler, place it inside the white base. And use the brush tool with black color to draw the iris and pupil. Add some details to the iris and pupil, such as colors and highlights. Duplicate the open iris layer and place it above the mid-white base layer. Hide the other layers and activate the layers of mid-eyelid and mid-white base. Erase the details that pass through the mid-eyelid. Hide the layers, then insert a new folder and rename it as Open Eye. Place the open eyelid, open iris, and open white base in this folder. Tap the folder to minimize. Create a new folder again and rename it as mid-eye. Place the layers of mid-eyelid, open iris for mid-eye, and mid-white base. Tap the folder, then hide it. Tap the back button and select Save as Transparent PNG. Hide the open eye folder, then activate the mid-eye folder. Tap the back button and select Save as Transparent PNG. Hide the mid-eye folder, then activate the closed eyelid layer. Tap the back button and select Save as Transparent PNG. After that, let's animate the eye of our character. Close the IbispaintX app, then open your FlipaClip app. Click on the plus button below the screen and name your project as Eye Animation. You may change the background with color or an image. Then next, change the format. For this one, we are going to use YouTube 1080. Then tap on Create Project. Tap on the upper right corner with 3 dots. Tap on Add Image. Locate and insert our first image, the character with open eyes. Insert a new frame by tapping the plus button. Same procedure, locate and insert our second image, the character with mid-eyes. Once again, insert a new frame by tapping the plus button. Same procedure, locate and insert our third image, the character with closed eyes. Insert a new frame by tapping the plus button. Same procedure, locate and insert our fourth image, the character with mid-eyes. Finally, locate and insert our last image, the character with open eyes. Duplicate the last frame up to the 8th frame. Tap on the play button to test the animation. Last step, tap on the upper right corner with 3 dots. Tap on Make Movie. Then tap on Make Movie button again. Tap on Save to Photos. Then check your exported MP4 animation in your gallery. Here's our final animation. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.